Some are born fast. Some are engineered faster. Unleash your inner beast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I created this cinematic XenD vs Cheetah commercial using ChatGPT and Google Flow. Let's get started. Like always, I have already prepared for this project. First, I asked ChatGPT to create a complete cinematic storyboard. And let's build the story. Open ChatGPT, enter the idea prompt and hit the button. Now the storyboard has been created. Let's check it. Once the storyboard is ready, it's time to create the video prompt. Now I will request ChatGPT to convert the storyboard into video prompts. Hit enter. Now it generates scene by scene prompts by adding camera movements and lighting instructions, environmental descriptions and cinematic shots. Now the video prompts ready storyboard has been completed. Let's turn these prompts into actual video moving into Google Flow. Let's go to the Google Flow, create new project, select agent, select Gemini Omni Flash model, upload storyboard image, upload driver reference image, paste video prompts here and hit the button. Now it has started generating video and the video has been generated. Let's play it.
Some are born fast. Some are engineered faster.
Now download the video. Now to make my video a bit longer, I need to repeat the process again by tweaking the prompts. Now it has created additional shots. Let's play one by one.
Experience raw power. Unleash your inner beast.
Let's download. Next comes music and sound clips. Let's go to the Pixabay.com. Here I can find best sound clips and music to elevate my videos. Let's download and let's go to the editing part. Now I will import my all media files inside video editing software and let's edit. Now the editing part has been completed. Let's check the final output.
Some are born fast. Some are engineered faster. Unleash your inner beast.
If you found this workflow helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more AI filmmaking and advertisement workflow. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Keep watching.